All right, silver. If silver gets up to the 83 to 83, 65, 70, gold's dropping. I would lower your stops here. Biggie, biggie, biggie. Can't you see? Anybody new? Please text me if you want a 5-day free trial to my live stream. I hope you got that long on the gold.
I did.
I hope damn straight you did. Okay. Kaboom! Bear Trader, it's not kaboom, it's Kaboom. Kaboom, you're missing an A. You're missing an A in there, kaboom. All right, let's go. All right. Anyway, tomorrow, 10 a.m., you gotta be there. My Funded Futures TV. Lower your stops on gold. Lower your stops on silver. Oh my God, silver just pushed up above 83. I just got 83.16. Jeffrey, anybody get the short on gold or silver? Oh my God. Hey everybody, nice to be here tonight. Please, 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 I'm begging you to be here, okay, for the My Funded Futures tomorrow at 10 a.m. You better tune in. There's a special. How do I get the 5-day free trial? Not to my live stream. Just text me, 914-500-7484. Hey, Lev, what's going on? What a long, Alexa. What a long. Now it's a short into the negative MACD. Silver just dropped about 40 cents. Where's my live stream? Where's my peoples here? Where's my peoples here? Jeff, you get the gold? Anybody? Jeffrey, thank you for the comment, okay? Where's my peoples? Look at the gold drop. You short the gold?
I did.
Why were you not short the gold? You're 3 feet behind me. What do you mean you're doing trades? What are we here to do? Paint the ceiling? I don't get it. I mean, I'm being serious. I call the range in gold 29.5 to 43.5. Okay? Gold gets up to 33, 34, and it just got kabooshed. How are you not taking the short? Okay, whatever. Anyway, Michael, I'm telling you, you asked, right? You asked, you want to learn, right? I'm teaching you.
Yes.
You said in the car, you said to me, I'm going to do 100 trades tonight. Practice, okay? So you got to, let's go. Engage, Maverick, okay? Settle up. Let's go, Mikey Jacques. Mikey Jacques, what's up, everybody? All right, please, tomorrow, a big, huge announcement, 10 a.m. Be there at My Funded Futures TV, My Funded Futures YouTube. Be there or be square. Let's go. Right, Michael? Right?
Yep.
Okay, I call a range. You caught the long, and on the sell divergence, you should have caught the short, right?
Yes, I'm trying to figure out how to.
Or the way you do that is you put bids in, and then you lower your stop. There's no button say close half my positions. It's either close all or you bid, right? So if you're short 10 micros and it drops 15 or 12, you want to cover. You're short 10, you cover 5, and then you lower your stop, right? Right or wrong?
I understand the process.
There's no button to say cover half positions.
But do you have to put
you have to put bids in if you're short. If your mentality is that you want to cover half the position, okay, you go, okay, you can just go click, 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 market and buy them on the number of contracts you want. You could bid, but that's it. The machine can't read your mind, okay? What's up, everybody? Okay, nice short on gold. Hey, Sam. Everybody welcome Sam N. Sam N, are you new? I think Sam N is new. All right. Okay, let's go, people. Let's go. Meanwhile, freaking gold rallied 40, dropped 15. The S&P's moved $1.50. Go figure. NASDAQ just moved about 14, right? This is why the metals markets, I'm not patting myself on the back or anything, but I guess I'm in this game almost 44 years come August 1st. But so many people now are on the internet saying, oh, you got to trade the Asian markets in gold. Are you bananas? Are you bananas? Really? Are you bananas? My funded futures, please, Luke and I, enough is enough, is right. All right, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. We're going to be having 10 giveaways tonight. Okay, 10 giveaways. We're going to do them at 9:50. So please register. You need a My Funded Futures account. Okay, you need a My Funded Futures account. All right. Okay. Okie dokie. Okay. All right. All right. Let's see if we get this push up. I want to see silver get to 90. Oof. See if we get another push up here. What the world, Nasdaq, and S&P? Soon on the 30-minute time frames. Unbelievable. The S&Ps were down 35. Hey there. Hey, Trading for Keeps. What's going on, everybody? Hey, Zil from Finland. What's up, my brother? What's up? Long, then short, then long. I wouldn't have taken a long there. I think gold's a short. If this gold gets up to the 33 to 48, I'd short it. You got to go wide. Minus 14 in Virginia. Oh, my God. That crazy governor. Oof, she's nuts. Unbelievable. Wow, look at this gold shoot up. Oh, my God. Gold up 180. What's platinum doing? What's platinum? Platinum's got to be up. Oh, yeah. Knew it. Platinum was touching below 2,000 at one point. Right here. You're going to get a nice little bear flag and then a cabooshin. Going to get a cabooshin on these metals. See if this silver can get to, where's the 10 bar here? 10 bar. 90. Oh my God, I love it. Gold, I'd be scaling into shorts here. Yes, Johnny, into the negative MACD. All right, this gold drops anywhere between the 26.5 and 36.5 range. I look to cover shorts. Here we go. Here we go. Dropping. Silver, same thing. Silver gets up to the 83.35, 83.40, up to 84.10. I would look to short silver. Unbelievable. So silver and gold and the metals had the worst historic day ever. So basically, in my 43 years, you saw one of the most horrific declines. Only 10% liking the stream. Come on, we got 300 people here tonight. Let's go. It is gold. off that gold, off that 5 minute. So that strategy basically, okay, I'll show you the strategy here on the gold. Okay, I'll show you the strategy on the gold. So if you look here, right, if you look here, you can see that the show this to you here. So if you see here, you can see that gold right now, all right, is in a bullish trend on the 60, and then on the 30-minute time frame, you can see my indicator 4 is bullish here on the 30, and then here's the killer right here is when the 15-minute time frame right here reverses to buy, and then what do you look to do? You take the first pullback on the 5-minute time frame. Look at this Picasso. Look at this gold. 47.96 to 48.61. That is unbelievable pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 bars. You can see that gold rallied here. 47.88 just rallied about 77 points. First pullback on the 5 after the 15 reversed to buy. Unbelievable move here. Unbelievable. All right. If you got stopped here, I would short it again. 65 up to 80 range. 60 up to 80 range. Silver, actually, it did drop though, but we'll see. This gold should drop here. Where's silver? I'd like to see this. Again, you got to go wide, and because now gold is in a positive trend. Now gold should start dropping here because you're pushing up here. Here we go. Gold got up to 71 here. This thing should drop at least another 8 to 10. Gold up 200. So you think silver would be up big? Of course. Well, we'll see. Gold's dropping here. Jesse Wang, how are you, Jesse Wang? Now, again, if you look at gold, you can see the non-confirmation here on the 5. Here's the 15. This is a really great pullback right here. This pullback is monstrous. Gold's dropping here again. All right, so basically when the 15 reversed to buy, it correlated with the 30 and 60-minute time frame. Here goes the gold dropping. Great job, JSTOR has made 500 on the gold. Look at the gold drop. Look at the gold. If gold ticks here at 41, it'll be down 30. And then the strategy here now is to buy the pullback on the 15, but we got to watch it. Positive MACD here. And you can see how gold right here touched the, look at this, 44.23. That guy jumped. So now you want to get the gold to get to an overbought condition into this negative MACD. So I'm looking for a bear flag. This gold could get up to the 5,000, 5150, but there's a ton of overhead resistance here. A ton of overhead resistance here. Right? I caught a lot of the shorts on Friday. Yeah, I caught the longs too. There was a lot of opportunity to go long on Friday too on gold. Had a really decent day on the gold. Trading the GLDs a lot though. Trading the GLDs. Well, that's Ninja. And again, for anybody who's new here, please tune in to My Funded Futures YouTube tomorrow, the My Funded Futures TV at 10 a.m. There is going to be a monster announcement. Just made 750. There you go. Okay. 5 micros at one shot. When it went to 71, I would have probably sold more. You know? All right. It's this gold. I think this gold. I want to see the silver get up here. Okay, you guys, My Funded Futures competition, any idea? Nope. I know what it is, but it's going to be a monster. Nope, 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 nope. I'm not saying, but you guys got to be there tomorrow. Monster announcement. I short this gold again, 65 up to 80, 85, 82 here. Okay. Is the news tomorrow? I think it's going to be a blockbuster news. Absolutely. Let's go. Biggie, biggie, biggie. Can't you see? Wow. Unbelievable. Silva short 84.35 up to 85, 85, 84.40 to 85.20. I say Seattle by 4 or Seattle by 8. You believe more than 4,900? I can't give a hint. It's not right. No way. No way. Great job, Sam Murda. God bless you, Sam Murda. That's what I'm talking about, my brother. Sam, you got to come pay a visit, brother. Let's go. You have $1 on the Pats? Huh. Awesome. Like this gold's pushing up, silver's pushing up. Great job, Sam Murda. Really proud of you, my brother. All right, gold dropping. Great job, Sam Murda. Very proud of you, my brother. Gold pushing up. Silver's pushing up. All right, gold, I would lower your stops if you're short. Silver, I would lower your stops. I would cover silver between the 30 and 50 range. Now, silver reversed to buy on the 30-minute time frame. Oof, let's go. NASDAQ was a short. Anybody? Mikey Jacques. Do you see NASDAQ as a short, Nike Jacques? I wasn't even looking at NASDAQ. Okay, if you look at NASDAQ, you can see NASDAQ right here. Mikey Jacques making new highs right here. Just got kabooshed. Look at this. Just dropped 18. Making new highs to non-confirmation, Mikey Jacques. You see that? See what the silver's doing here. Silver's a short here again. 95. If you got the short, drop down to 55. I was short like 84. 95 on silver to 85.65. All right, gold and silver should drop here. Gold and silver should drop. Now, the 30-minute time frame on silver reversed to buy, so the pullback on the 15. There goes silver dropping. Look at gold. You short gold?
Yep.
Okay, there you go. There you go. Mikey Jacques, you see the short on the NASDAQ futures, non-confirmation? There you go, Iceman. Johnny Walker Black, baby. Right? Everybody, please sign up for the raffle tonight. And again, I'm going to say this all night long. There is a huge announcement tomorrow on My Funded Futures. Please be there and watch it. Okay? 10 a.m. Okay? 10 a.m. Make sure you tune in to My Funded Futures YouTube. There is a special announcement. It's huge. Gold's dropping. Silver's got kabooshed. What's up, Shally J? What's that? NKD's up 3%. Ah! The announcement will be that SK will be co-owner. Oh, I love it. I love it. You know, I'm just so blessed to be here. I love it. You know, last night I just decided to go down for like an hour and a half too. I'm just so blessed to have to be part of My Funded Futures. And I'm telling you right now, the greatest prop firm out there, hands down, hands down. As you know, I'm not an affiliate or anything like that, but I do really enjoy being here. I love the fact that all of you have embraced the trading of gold and silver. Gold again, silver 90, 84, 97, up to 85.67. I would look to short it. You know, do you know that gold last night traded? I short this gold again here, 48.75 to 48.93. Do you? Yeah, 10 a.m. Eastern. Please be there. Big special announcement. Do you know that gold traded down to 44.20? I swear to Jesus, if I was up, I would have bought. I would have bought the world. Bought the world. Absolutely bought the world. You know. There goes silver up. Gold and silver should drop here. Oh, look at this silver go. If the silver should get a pullback here. Silver should get a pullback here. You have to go to My Funded Futures YouTube and sign in before silver. If you're short, look to cover below 71, 72 here. I'm sorry, gold that is. Silver, you need to cover anywhere between the under the 84.95 and 85.25 on silver. I'm here, baby. I'm here. That's it. Where am I going? I love this game. Look at this gold get cabooshed. Tell me you're short.
I have been. Yeah.
Look at this gold. Silver, look to lower your stops if you're short. My funded futures being bought out by Top Step? I don't think so. Gold dropping here. Wow, look at the silver drop. Look at the gold just drop. You guys got to be there tomorrow, 10 a.m. You guys got to be there tomorrow, 10 a.m. Use your now. Wow, look at this gold drop. Look at this silver. Mikey, Jacques, Jeff, get in there. Where's Jennifer? I'm shorting gold and silver. You got the gold? Look at the silver, Jeff. It just dropped 70 cents. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wowsy, wowsy, wowsy. There's going to be a big announcement tomorrow. Big announcement. No, Mr. Beast. Anybody get the short in silver? Anybody get the short in gold? Are you short the gold?
Yep.
All right. Lower your stops. Wow, look at the gold drop. Look at that gold drop. Wow. One micro, that's it? Get in there, Jennifer. Good job. All right, silver just got kaboosh. Gold just dropped. Look at the silver, just dropped $1. Okay, the double blue, you take the short looking for the pullback. That's a great short right there. That's a great short on gold and silver. Great short. Good job, James Robertson. Franks, great job. Let's go, baby. Oh my God, gold absolutely kabooshed. It doesn't matter. What a short. What a long on that pullback on the 5-minute. What a long on that gold. Another little bull flag sitting up here on gold and silver. Right. All right. Big announcement. Why would I get a caboose Palantir? It's up big. Up about $11 after hours, right? PLTR. Right? PLTR is up big. Right? Nice little bull flag setting up here. We talking copper? I think silver is the pullback on the long. I agree on the double blue here. If this silver gets down to the silver gets down to the 83.65 to 84.35, I would take a long on silver here. You got to go wide. I really would like to see this is a double blue buy. This silver is going to push up here. Down 6,800. Why are you down $6,800? What are you, crazy? What? Then he's down 6,400? No. I think this Bitcoin's going up 55, 65,000. I agree with the pullback on. I don't know if we're going to get the pullback back here down to 33 again. All right, we're going to do the raffle. Again, we got about 17 minutes for the raffle to close. So please sign up. You need a My Funded Futures account. You need a My Funded Futures account in order to win the raffle here. It doesn't matter. And for those of you, again, you better be there tomorrow, 10 a.m. Huge announcement, My Funded Futures. Be there, 10 a.m. on My Funded Futures YouTube TV. Gold and S&P. There goes NASDAQ gets down to the 35.55 range. I look to buy it. Raymond Antonio, is that your name? $9,800 USD this morning, 14,000 in prop firms. Great job. Day is over for me. OVA, East Wanju. Over. OVA. Oh, this pullback. It just ran 70 cents here on silver. See if the silver can get one more push down. Oh, yes. How are you, my brother? How's everything? Oh, my God. I'm pooped. I'm pooped. Get one more push up here. You have to sign up. Up top, there's a link, okay, to sign up for the drawing. And you have to have a My Funded Futures account. Okay, or else you can't win. If you win and you get no email attached, okay, you get kabooshed. Okay? You get kabooshed. Hey, Yellow Van Coin, I'm doing good. Got a visit next week? I don't know if you want. And anybody new that wants a 5-day free trial to my live stream, you could text me at 914-500-7484. I give you access to a 5-day free trial to my live stream. Let's go, Silva. From Globex entry, silver would be up 21,000. Silver, I think, was trading below 68 at one point today. I think the low, about 71, I think. Oh, maybe 68. I think silver today was trading below, right here, 71.20. All right. Again, silver, if it pushes down to the 83.65 to 84.35, I would look to buy it there. Blowing account, you're done. What are you blowing your account on? What are you blowing your account on? Oh, so one big one. Oh yeah, it's 5,000 a point. So if you bought silver here, let's say you bought silver here. Okay, what time is this? You bought silver here. Just say you bought a silver at 81, 82, and you sold silver here. You're talking right there is about 18,000. Nasdaq just got kabooshed. Oh, silver. And again, anybody, please remember we have here goes the silver pulling back. Look, 25 to 39.40. You could scale out or wait to buy it again here. It gets down to the 55 to 65 to 25 range on silver. Silver should get another push up here on the 5. Now the problem with silver, the 15-minute time frames are starting to roll over here. Okay? Silver's dropping. Oh my God, look at this silver. What a short up there. For gold, be careful. I would cover. The scale out any silver here, 90 up to 25. God, look at the silver right back up. Oh my God. Traded right up. Look at this silver right back up to 18, 19, 20. Oh my Lord. Look at this silver. 12. Or 18, 19, 20 before. He had 27 out. Look at that. Boom. Wow. What? I was waiting on this drop and come on. Come on, silver right back up on the silver in the range. Hitman, get in there, Hitman. Get in there, Hitman. Look at this rally in silver. Silver and gold, silver and gold. I remember when I first introduced gold and silver to people, they're like, what's that? Oh my God, I never traded gold before. So I said, okay, make believe you're trading water. Capiche? Right? Silver, 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 can't you see? I'm sure moves just hypnotize me. Yes, sir. All right, 8 minutes to sign up for the raffle. 8 minutes. We're going to do 10 giveaways tonight. I want you to go to, when you're later, I want you to go to My Fund of Futures. I will need you to set up an account. Okay, so you hear me? You're not buying them. You're going to set up an account to be part of the raffle. Okay?
You want me to do it?
No, you do it at 10 o'clock. That's one of your homework assignments.
Okay.
Okay? So what you want to do at the end of the night is create, if these S&Ps get down to the 10 and a half, 11 and a half, 16 and a half, I'd be a buyer. NASDAQ, if NASDAQ gets down to the, I would say the 30 to 50 range on the NASDAQ. So where's the link? You got to go to My Funded Futures YouTube and get the link. Silver, if it drops down to the 82.90, 83.60, I would be a buyer in that. Gold should get one more push up to a lower high. MACDs are negative on the 5. Do your homework. I'm a long on silver and gold. The New York session. Gold long. It just traded up from 42. I'm not going to chase it now. I'm not going to chase it now. He's got homework. Michael's got homework. Michael's from Arizona. It could have been a debacle. I told Michael I live in Palm Beach, right? Flying into PBI or Fort Lauderdale, but if you could, try to come to Palm Beach. Next thing I know, I get a text. I'm going to be landing in Palm Springs. I'm like, wait a minute. Palm Springs and Palm Beach, I believe, are on not the same, right? And I called them. I said, Michael, I live in Palm Beach. And he, thank God, right before he got on the plane, he changed his flight to Palm Beach instead of Palm Springs. Good job. There goes the gold right back. Silva. Michael Lasami, just text me 914 500 7484. You're in Palm Spring, Palm Beach, you're in Florida, come text me. Wrong coast, you ain't kidding. There goes the gold, gold's up 13. There goes the silver. Two different parts of the world. Yeah, my good buddy James Robertson, 3,000 miles away. He's right. Oh my God, where are these stocks going? Where are these stocks going? Really? Oh, this thing's gonna go higher. 97. Palm Beach, Florida. Yes, sir. I love it here. I've never been to Palm Springs. I hear it's beautiful. No, I've never been, Sun Bear. And gold long just ran 16, so I'm not chasing it now. Silver just kaboomed. Wow, look at the gold. Gold just ran 20. Wow, look at the silver go. Look at the silver go. Nice little long on the 5-minute. Who said the 5-minute gold? That was a good one. Yeah, but it's hot, but you don't feel it, right? In the Palm Springs, right? That's what I heard. Scalp short on what? Gold? I don't know. I got to see. Probably. Anyway, so all of you who are new here tonight, if you like access to my 5-day free trial, you could text me at 914-500-7484. Gold to 5,000? Yeah, I agree. And then to 4,300. I totally agree. You want to short the gold on an overbought condition on the 5. So if gold gets up to, I would say if gold gets up to 75, 78 to 93, 90, 93, I would look to short it. Then once gold hits 4,300, I think you buy the world. I think you buy the world. BLDs are going to gap up 20 points in the morning. They say it like this. No, no, sir. Space Moon Vision. Where do you think silver goes, Space Moon Vision? Well, the good thing is that silver now reversed to buy on the 30. It doesn't matter. Space Moon Vision. Where do you think silver goes? All right, 9 o'clock. The raffle is officially closed. Catnip, what are you doing? Come on. Catnip. WDC. Oh, yeah. Where the hell is this SanDisk? SNDK. $533. Oh my God. 82.5. Oh, Jesus. It's 200 points above the 10-bar weighted moving average. Insane. Look, this nobody wanted this stock. Look at this. Back in 25 at $50 a share. More than a year later, 665, 682 actually. Catnip, if you need help, it doesn't matter, Mr. Freeze. Catnip, if you need help, text me 914-500-7484. I'll be very happy to help you. Catnip. $48.30-ish. To go long, you got to wait for a pullback on the 15. Right. NASDAQ just dropped, since I've been in here, NASDAQ dropped roughly about 80 points off the high. About 70. S&Ps hit that high of 21. So when the S&P futures hit the high of 21, the NASDAQ futures on the new high, you can see that these MACDs did not confirm. 23, kabooshed. Look at the NASDAQ futures. Again, non-confirmations. Really. You're making new highs here on the NASDAQ, and the MACDs are not confirming on the 15 and on the 5-minute time frame. This is a Picasso here. All right. I think the Nasdaq can get a buy here between the 20 and 40 range. S&Ps anywhere between the 09, 09 and a half to 14 and a half range. Gold should get another push up here. What a short on this. So look at this. Oh my God, 50 down on the Nasdaq. Silver should set up another long here. Silver and 20. Gold could pull in here one more time. Oh, you're very welcome, Barbara Barrett Beige. Thank you. I'd like to see silver get to 91, 94. So if you're looking at silver, you can see here, if you get these dailies to turn up like this, the silver might even go higher than 90. But the problem here with silver, here, look at the daily, these negative MACDs here. So even if you did get a push up in silver and you get overbought into this negative MACD, I think silver could set up, I'm thinking like a bear flag right to like 95, anywhere from 92 to 96. And then I think it gets cabooshed. That's what I think that pattern's going to do right there. Right? There goes the gold right back up on the gold. Goes the silver. Gold gets down to the where the silver is going to go here. Can you imagine silver 119 down to 68? What a bloodbath. Then the S&Ps are going to get some type of a monster pullback the way gold and silver did. I think it's going to come out of left field. I really do. And I think if the S&Ps drop and they close the gaps down to 5,600, 5,700, you buy the world. Darth Peppy. That's what I think. Iceman, to each his own, right, my brother? Iceman. Silver gets down to the 82.90 to 83.60. I would be a buyer. The Darth Peppy, if you ever want to text me, 914-500-7484. I think it can get there. You guys hear me? I think my internet might have went down. Come in, Manila. Test, test. Anybody can hear me? Anybody can hear me? And that went down. You can hear me, James? Thank you, James Robertson. Loud and clear. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Can't you see? If this gold gets down to the, I would say gold gets down to the 07.5, 22.5 range. Silver right back up. Silver, if you're long, scale out any longs above 60. See how fast the silver is? I literally blinked, and that was it. S&Ps, NASDAQ. So here's the other problem that you had here. If you look at the 30-minute time frame, I'm going to show you this to you. Look at the S&Ps here. Okay, here's the 30-minute time frame, and here's the 15 right here. So when you're pushing up to new highs here, okay, when you're pushing up to new highs, if there's gold and silver, get one more push up. 30-minute time frames here. So if you see here, you can see that the S&P futures hit a high of 70.23 and a quarter. You're making the new high here, and also making a new high here on the 15-minute time frame. Obviously, here you can see the same time here, the 1930, boom, 1930, and you can see how these MACDs did not confirm the high with the overbought condition, and this is a monster strategy. You can see here's the new high. These MACDs could not confirm on the 15 and the 30-minute time frame. Major sell divergence here in the positive trend. All right, gold's pushing up. By week scaling out of longs above 22.23. Silver should get another push up. S&P and NASDAQ should get one more push up. The 15s are getting deeply oversold here. S&Ps and NASDAQ should get another push up. Let's look at this silver on the 5. Okay. Nasdaq, here goes the S&Ps. Oh, silver, 85. Need one more big push up on silver. No, I didn't. Am I down? I got kabooshed? Oh boy. Am I down? I think my internet went down.
What?
Yeah, my internet went down.
Okay. I don't know if there's anything I can do about that.
I don't know. Can you continue as Stephen Kalayjian studio? Guys, can you hear me?
You wanna know what the best thing?
Internet's up.
And I think
Denny, can you hear me?
who has seen Austin Powers? Yes, I have. Yes.
All right, Denny, I'm back.
All right, Steven.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Denny. Sorry, I got kabooshed. All right, thank you. Okay. All right, thank you. Bye-bye. I look to buy this silver here anywhere between the 82 and 82.80 on silver. Gold. I'm back. I got kabooshed. I got kabooshed. I absolutely got kabooshed. I gold dipped below 4,800. I just got absolutely kabooshed. Look at this. All right, this silver, if this gold gets down to the 47.77 to 47.91, 47.77 to 47.91, I look to buy the gold here. You're going to get this again, the silver, same pattern here. Same pattern on silver. Now the 30 is reversed here. Come on, I want to get this thing. I'm back, everybody. All right. Thank you again for Denny for helping me out here. I got kabooshed. Let's see here. There goes the silver right back up. Nice long off the 5. All right, just ran about 60 cents here. Come on, baby. Give me 90. Look at the S&Ps and NASDAQ long. S&Ps and NASDAQ long off the 15-minute time frame. Wow. S&Ps ran 5. NASDAQ just ran about 25, 30. On the NASDAQ, there you go. Kamika Marie, there you go. That's a great long. Again, that's the 15-minute time frame. Getting oversold there on the index futures, the Qs and the S&P futures. Gold just went from 91 up to 15. Silver, it just rallied $1. I'm sorry, about 90 cents. I'm back, Ice Trader. Tea Trader. I'm back. Hey, Soberest, how are you? Did everybody sign up for the raffle tonight? Okay, the drawing closed at 9. Ugh. Wow, look at this gold. Oh my God. I would short some gold up here. 48, 24 to 36, 38 range. If it gets up there. Get the negative MACDs. You caught the long on the silver. That's a great job. 5-minute got deeply oversold. The algo reversed to sell. Got down to 81. Great job. NASDAQ short. Yep, I think the NASDAQ would be a short, but a little higher up. Oh, wow, gold right back down. Damn it. Right idea. All right, I cancel the short. NASDAQ just dropped about 10. So so for all of you tonight, please go and check out My Fund the Futures TV at 10 a.m. tomorrow. There is a big, mucho grande announcement. So when you have the negative MACDs here, okay, when you have the negative MACDs here, all right, on the 5-minute and the algo reverses to sell and the 15s are turning down, you get the push up on price, you take the short. Silver just dropped 39 cents. That's a great strategy right there. NASDAQ just got kabooshed 11. NASDAQ. Gold is a long. Not yet. It will be off the 15. Wow, gold got absolutely kabooshed there. NASDAQ, nice short on the NASDAQ. If you got it, just dropped about 16, 17. This is the silver short. Wow. Silver 89. Everything had the same identical pattern. Silver, gold. Look at the gold. I was 23. Gold just got kabooshed. 91 up here. So gold rallied 29 and then got kabooshed about, oh my God, gold just dropped 13. 23, I mean. All right. Again, with those negative MACDs like this, and you get the push up in the price, it's a short. You see that? Okay, Pac-Man. So not only do you have the negative MACDs here, you have the 15s turning down. So when the price, oh my God, look at this gold. Look at these S&Ps. Look at this NASDAQ. Look at the NASDAQ. Good Lord. Look at this, beautiful. See again, the 15s are turning down. The MACD negative, the push up here. Boom. Look at this NASDAQ. 52. Drop 27. Look at the gold drop. Look at the gold drop. What a short on that. Missed it by 3. All right. If gold gets down, Jesus, ran $20. If this gold gets down to the 62.77, no, you don't just look at the 5. Okay, 62 to 77, I look to buy the gold. And this gold should get one more push up. Now, gold, since it reversed to buy on the 15, you did not get a, I think you got a nice little bull flag sitting up here on gold. Just ran 19 off the low. You want to wait for the 15 to get oversold? Catnip, good job. So if you bought at 91, I mean, and it trades down to 76.6, don't you think you should be buying it? And I would be scaling out of longs here if you bought above 91 right now. I'd be scaling out of longs here. ARIFT, ARIFTRS. It doesn't matter. Over a gold just ran 23. Anybody new here tonight? Anybody new? Should we fill the coolers? It's you fill the coolers. Well, the MACD's on silver on the 4-hour. Let me see. I don't even know if I can get a 4-hour here. Sinister Scalper, how are you? What a short. Here's the long, and you push up right here. Just drop the whole penny on silver. I'd be looking to buy, oh my God, silver here, 81.90 to 82.60. What session is this? All right, 9:30 here. Oh my God, you're going the wrong direction, silver. That's why I called this short here. 83.89. Just dropped $1.50. NASDAQ just got absolutely cabooshed, 52 to 25. Not yet. It should. I mean, if gold gets down to the 62.77 range, I would buy it. Be patient. It should get one more push. Silver, if you're long, look to sell between 82.50 and 82.80. The delay bothers. How much is the delay? How much is the delay here? Anybody? Come in, Manila. There goes the gold. There goes the silver. There goes the silver. Davidson, how are you? S&Ps. NASDAQ just dropped about 27. What they do you wrong about? All right, there goes the silver. Gold just rallied 30, 25 off the lows. These 15s are going to turn up here. You got a beautiful bull flag here on silver and gold. These 15, I wouldn't be surprised if this gold gets up back up near the highs. 15 to 30, 10 to 15 seconds. 5 seconds. All right. Thank you. Silver just got kabooshed. Going the wrong direction, silver. Silver, I'd be buying here again. Look to scale out any longs between 82.30 and 50. Hey. It's all, I mean, discretionary. I mean, trading's an art, right? Trading's an art. That's what's the most important thing. You can't look at it upon science. Hamid, I don't. Is it really 10 seconds? I think the silver is going to get another big push up off the 15s. Ah, where's silver's high? Silver, I'd be scaling out the longs above 40. Gold just rallied 24. I think here. Anybody get the long on the silver on that? No? All right. Gonna see. All right, there goes the silver and gold. Wow, S&P is down 11, 12 off the highs. NASDAQ futures, 25,000, about 990, kabooshed. Hey, Jennifer, how are you? All right, we have the raffle in 15 minutes. So, again, you guys who didn't sign up for the raffle, mort. Forget it, it's over. S&Ps should get one more push up here. NASDAQ should get one more push up here. Deeply oversold. But the MACDs are negative, so any push up on the 5 and the over. Wow, look at this gold rally. Good Lord. 76 to. Gold just ran 30 points like nothing. Where's the silver? Silver, if you're still long here, I would be out. Look at silver, 80 points up. Wow. Patterns. Wait till these 15-minute time frames turn up right here, like this. Bada bing, bada boop, bada bop. Silver's got the kiss of death. This weekly in silver can even turn up here. Look at this. You're getting oversold into a positive MACD, big rising ADX, and monster buying pressure. Wow. S&Ps I'll be buying here 06 to 11. Nasdaq, I go 92 to 95.12. 1 minute time frame. Guy said to me today, Steve, you trade on a 1 minute time frame? If I said I'd be in Bellevue. Silver's getting deeply oversold here on the 15. Baba tanking? No, he did kind of, not like the way I did though. Can't look back, trade for a reach. Can't never look back on a trade. All right. Again, if you're long here on the silver, you could look to sell above 82.50 if you bought it down here. Right down to 82.13. I don't with the 4 hour. That's 240 minutes. Let me see. If I could change this. Change the time frame. You don't look back. Don't look back. Take your profits and run. Right? You take your profits and run. You got the long 20 points on the gold? Okay. Busted. 21 more minutes. All right, this silver is getting another push up. Gold getting another push up. These 15 should turn up here. The 1 hour. Where do you see the 1 hour? I don't see that. Take care, Khalid Brofi. How are you? SoFaX, Sofa FX. Aren't you from Brazil? You trade FX, right? Go to NASDAQ, 25,934. I'd be careful. These 15-minute time frames are getting deeply oversold on the NASDAQ futures. I'd be very careful being short. Look at this. I'd be very careful. Brazil, fill the cooler. All right. Gold should get another push down here. Silver should get one more push. Well, I'm used to it though. Again, everybody, for tomorrow, please go to My Funded Futures at 10 a.m. There is a monster announcement, so please go to the My Funded Futures TV on YouTube and watch. There is going to be a very, very, very big announcement. So be there, okay? From Be There. So be there. S&Ps and NASDAQ should get one more push up here. Okay? Negative above the pivot. And then the 5-minute reverses a sell and the MACD is negative above the pivot. You could take that short right there, which I know 25,952. $81.70. Okay. Well, the good thing about silver is you got the 30-minute time frame setting up here. Look. 85. No candlesticks. I'd buy silver here if it gets down here, 81 to 81.75. Oh, look at this silver. S&Ps look to scale out between 10 and 12. NASDAQ got up to 14.15. About $4. If the so gold can get the silver gets up to the 25 to 55, 60 range. Getting deeply oversold here on this 15-minute time frame. Gold, if gold gets down to the 60 and a half, 75 and a half. Really should be pushing back up here on the silver. There goes the silver. Come on, baby. 30. NASDAQ pushing up. Iceman, if you're long, I would hope you would have bought more on the way down. And the silver 30 up to 60, 65 exit longs. Damn this gold. Do you think anybody think that gold is going to hit the 44.50 this week again, or the lows are in for the week? Anybody think gold's going to make another test? Come on, silver. Come on, silver. Give me a 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 70 print. 44.50? I think you're right. All right, good job, Iceman. There goes the gold. Silver right back up. Gold. You're long. Look to sell above 79 on the gold. Wow, look at the silver. Look at the silver go. Look at that silver off that 15-minute time frame. Jennifer, get in there. Okay, before we start the raffle, is anybody new would like a 5-day free trial to my live stream? Please text me your full name and email, and I will send it to you. That's number one. Number two, it doesn't matter. Okay. Number two. Again, tomorrow at 10 a.m., a monster announcement by My Funded Futures. A monster announcement. Okay? So be there if you want to go to My Funded Futures YouTube. Please go there and watch it. Okay? A very big announcement. All right? We got 1 minute to go. Jennifer, get in there, Jennifer. Help me out. Where's my Jennifer? Gonna do the wheel here. Oh no. All right, let's do it. And here is the raffle. Number one, there goes the gold. There goes the silver. Good luck, everybody. What? 8M Luke? AITMLOUK? AITMLOUK? He's here. Thank you. 8 is here. Next! Thank you, Jennifer. Troyd 384. Troyd D 384. TROYD 384. Is he here? He's here. Next. Luco Cardoso 8828. Oh my God. You think he's Italian? Lucio Cardoso 8828. Look for Jennifer. Lucio Cardoso 8828. And could be. Hold on, what's Jennifer texting me? He's there. Congratulations, Luis. Lucio. Fiber Spice God. Fiber Spice God. Fiber Spice. Oh. Well, Fiber Spice. There goes the gold. There goes the silver. Fiber Spice. What a name. Fibers Spice Splice God. Is he here? That's 4. Good job. What? Ricky.chely95 Ricky.chely95 Ricky.chely95. Are you here? Going once. Ricky Chile 95 Gmail. Can't read it. Ricky Chile not here. Good. Look at the gold right back up off the 15s. Oh my God. Dan O 0486. Dan O 0486. Dan O 0486. Dan O, are you here? Going once, going twice. Next. Look at the gold rally. Prosperous WMN 888. Prosperous WMN 888. There goes the S&Ps and NASDAQ right back up. Prosperous WMN 888. Prosperous. Is he here? Thank you, Jennifer. Okay, thank you. Sorry. I can't read this. Valentinanestover. What the heck? I don't know. Let me try this. Valentinanesterova. Oh my God. ValentYna. She's here? All right, next. Oh, thank God. Thank God. Alexo 7317. Alexo 7317. Alexo, sorry. Look at the S&P and NASDAQ rally. Look at the silver and gold rally. Alexio 7317. Here? Good job. COM 4042. COM 4042. COM 4042. That's 7 so far. Is COM here? Oh, COM. COM. Jennifer's texting me. Wait. Jennifer texting. 9. Next. Next.